Can you throw her toy? Oh, there it is. Stella, come here. Throw it to her. Yay! Oh, Stella. Where's your toy? Where's Stella's toy? Can you throw it to her? Not your puppy. Here, throw that to her. Throw it to Stella, not your puppy. Throw her toy. Where is she? Can you squeeze it? Squeak it for her? Where's Stella? Oh. Well, she's not cooperating. That's okay. Mommy's photography skills lacking. Where's Stella? Here, Charlotte. Throw it to her. Yay! Oh. Oh. Did you hit your head? You're okay. Can you hand me... Hand me a chip. Maybe. Go over there. Yeah. Go watch over there. Go over there. Go hand me a french fry. Can you go give me a french fry? Oh, baby. You want to see yourself? You can watch it in a minute.
Baby?
Yeah. Can you sing me a song? No song. Are you sitting in my lap? What? Okay. Say bye-bye. I love you.